Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix credit card number does not match with credit card type and Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and trying to add your payment method or your credit card to your Apple ID, and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add your credit card or debit card to Apple ID, you might see the error that your credit card number does not match with your credit card type. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you just have to try to open your settings and just make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to general and go to language and region, select your own region from here. Then if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then go to software update and just try to update your software. Then go to your app store and just tap the profile option at the top right. Then select your Apple ID and just select account or country or region from here. And here you just have to select your own country or region which you have selected in your iPhone settings. So I'm gonna select this one from here, then tap on continue option, and here tap on agree at the top right. Now on this screen, you have to add your payment method or your credit or debit card. So we just have to make sure that the card you have selected is correct. So if you're adding your PayPal account, just select your PayPal account from here. If you're adding your mobile number, just select this one. Or if you're using your credit or debit card, just select this from here. So then after doing this, the best way is that you have to try to use this camera icon to scan your cards. It will automatically detect all the informations of your card and it will add it to your Apple ID. Or you have to try to add your credit card number as it is written on your credit card, and after that just enter your expiries, then enter your CVV or the security code, enter your street. These are optional so you can save them. Enter your postcode, the town, country, phone number, name, and after all just tap done option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.